I don't know who was screaming, but if it happens again, they're gonna have to.
No, like it wasn't me. I couldn't even scream if I wanted to. I lost my voice yesterday at a
Okay,
concert.
well, no more screaming, or you're gonna have to leave.
Me? Why would it be me who would scream like that?
Because you guys are the only ones over here. I'm just trying to figure out who it was because it's scaring my
No.
customers.
Oh,
Scaring
that's
them.
frightening. It scared the hell out of me too.
Okay, well if you see him, let me know.
Oh, I
How about
got
that?
you, of course. Fuck!
Now,
That was not me.
yes, it was.
Check the cameras. That was not me.
I need you to get out now.
Wait, I'm telling you, that was not
You
me.
need to get out now.
You.
Now.
You. Really, I told you that was not me.
I'm sorry. I'm just very, very irritated.
You think that was me when I told you I lost my voice?
Sir, are you screaming?